All right, for number 5, we are trying to find which graph is wider, so always make sure you read the question because sometimes it says wider, sometimes it says narrower. But we want to find the one that's wider than this equation right here, this parabola here. And remember, the way we can look at this is we can ignore the vertex. The main thing we want to care about is the so-called slope. It's not really a slope because it's not a straight line, but we can still graph it as if these were the V shapes and see which one actually turns out wider. So I see a lot of us like to use the dot method now rather than trying to compare. So let's just see what this slope would look like if I were to do this. So it would be up 5 and over 6. And we would get this type of shape here to make a parabola, but I'll just draw it as a V. So I want to see which of these slopes, not counting the negatives because we just want to put them all in the same direction, is going to be wider than this. Or if none of them, then we would choose none of these. So let's go through each one of them and see if it works out. So the first one is a 3 over 2. If I count up 3 and over 2, I can see that this one goes narrower. So that's not it because we want to find the one that's, again, wider. So let's try the next one, 2 over 7. So if I go up 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I see this one does in fact get wider. So already I see that this one is my answer. But let's just check the other one just to make sure. This one has a slope of 2 over 1. And so if I do that one, it's up 2 over 1. And yes, that one is not wider. This one is also narrower. So this is the only one, this blue one here, which we said was B.